And if you are shop, heavy duty shop, this is the 5 reasons that I'm going to show you too why you should have your technician, your shop, why your shop should sign up for RoadHelps and what RoadHelps can do for you. I'm going to show you right now too what you can do easy. Now it says offline, just click online, or you can click offline, of course, if you want to. But when you click online, that means you can receive requests from the drivers, okay? So here, how this thing work, if you are a shop mechanic or a shop company, right? If you hear this video for the first time, you're in a good place. RoadHelps, what RoadHelps does, RoadHelps connect mechanic like you, shops like yourself to the roads, to the driver who's on the road, who's stuck on the road, who need helps. Currently, how you guys work, you guys have to pay ads to be on the top of the Google page so people can find you when they go online. It's old system. Why doing that? Now, RoadHelps work like Uber. A driver got flat tire, they need help from you. What you do here, you just keep yourself log in online. When they need help, they send a request and you accept the request. You know exactly where's the driver at. You don't need to call anymore. You can even chat with the drivers. You can request, if you want to, you can request picture of the tire they need. You can do everything in the app. And this app is not just, this software is not just on a desktop. We have mobile application. You tell if you are shop, anytime you hire a new mechanic, if you have your new mechanic, what you do, your best place to work at is the shop management dashboard. Click here. Hopefully we have our shop set up already. If you don't have your shop set up already, what's going to show when you try to click this button the first time, that's what it's going to see. It's going to tell you to set up your shop for the first time, and you set up the name of the shop, the email, and it's gonna create this dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see everything. Okay, this dashboard you can invite. This here we don't have no drivers, but you can invite driver here. You can invite driver here. All those drivers you invite here, they are connected. The payment account you have, let's say your payout, because RoadHelps. The good thing about RoadHelps, there's no more like how you're gonna pay. Everything runs through to the app. All the payment runs to the app. You don't need to do nothing. You set up your payout account. We have a safe payment system. We're using Stripe, one of the biggest. Like all the companies use Stripes. If you don't know these, OpenAI with ChatGPT, they use Stripe. Twitter or X now, they use Stripe. The biggest company, all the company, most of it, they use Stripe. So Stripe, wherever you set up your payment, your bank account, when you set up those information, we do not have that information. You only have that information. That information is just connected between you and Stripe. Anything happen to that, it's going to be Stripe's fault, not us. They take care of that. But of course, because of they have that too much liability on them, their payment system is high safe. I don't want to talk to them just for this claim, but is the best company to use right for the payment system. That's why we choose them. So when you invite your technician, let's say you have two technician, two mechanic, and you are big shop, you have 2 to 3 mechanic who has their own pickup truck that you send them on the road to do roadside assistance. You can just invite them here. You click here, name, whatever, you send it, you create the account. When you create the account, your payment is going to be, the payout payment is going to be connected to your dashboard as a shop management. Okay. So which means if they do any service right there, when that customer pays you, the money is going to come to your account, not to their account. They don't depend, like they request. Either you can receive the request from here or they can receive themselves. So when they download the app, if somebody needs service, it's going to ring on them too. They can answer that request, and when they get paid, the money comes always here. And right here too, you can view what's been done. It says 0. You haven't get paid nothing, but you can download if you want. It's not let me click right now because there's nothing to download, but this button is downloadable. So you can click here to download and of your history payment, whatever the service you guys did. It's great. What else you need? Literally, what else you need? I don't understand. Also, You are shop. You can add, if you are shop. So here's is in the shop. You can add here product. When you add here product, the driver, they can see there's a product. Let's say if you sell tire, you can add product here. Also, you can say filter what you want people to walk. I would leave this off, so that way you receive all type of the request, and you can choose from that. You can add what type of the service you do if you want to do here, if you want to do that here, so the driver, they can see on this side. Okay. This is reason 2, but that's not a big one. Reason 2, one of them. Reason 4 or 3, shop on a marketplace with RoadHelps. If you are shop, let's say you sell tires, you have a lot of stuff, you can actually post here, and those whatever you post here is visible to everyone, all the drivers close to you. You can see message if somebody sent you anything. Let me just show you how this works. You see right here, when you post, for example, this one was sold, but when you post something right here, you post, that's what it's gonna look like on other users, not the drivers, not the truck shops. If they need maybe tire buy from you, they're gonna see this. It's just when you post it, everybody sees this. There's no limitation. They can chat with you, they can call you if you want to. That's the option you can do. How you do it right here. Reason 4, you can post, sell your trucks, buy trucks, you can sell parts, you can hire technician too right here. Okay, let's say add product. You see right here, job. You can pause, create a job. You can pause, add technician right here. You know, mechanic. You can add that. You can hire people from here. It's a marketplace. You have all that. You can sell vehicle, of course. You can set up your payment system right here if you want to get paid directly from the product you sell. But this is up to you. We don't charge nothing. This is free. It's all free unless if you want to use the app payment system. If you use the app payment system, there's gonna be some fee to processing those payment. But you can talk to those people directly without even go to use any payment system. You see how this is thing? It's incredible, crazy for you. Here's the text message. You can the charts. You can see who texts you. The message is, is a lot. That's why you need to download this. And the great part of it, if you are solo, if you are just solo service providers, you can just don't need to set up the shopping. You don't need to do none of that. Right here, you can change. If you don't like the dark screen, the way it's look right here, you can go to your setting, change the mode. You can have bright mode if you want to. You see, it looks all good. You can update your information. I'm not going to click there because there's my information. You can connect. That's where you connect to your payment right here. You come right here, you connect to your payment. I don't want to click this because there's a payment connected already. Come here, payout earns. You can connect your payout, which means how you want to get paid when the service is done. You can activate your notification. You can activate your location. All of those stuff. Okay, easy. This saves you a lot of money. No more going out, selling out, paying those marketing people who's been there or tell people we do this is too much. Okay. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I hope you use this RoadHelps app because it was made for you. Heavy duty shops, mechanic who does. We love you as truck company, truck drivers. We love you because we know you local mechanic. You guys do more than our truck stop. You guys come there, help us people. I remember one time I was stuck in Kentucky. My truck got frozen. These people, father and son, they helped me out with my truck over 3 days. That's something Love would not do. Actually, they will help me out while I was sitting on a Love truck stop. Love truck stop, they could not solve my issue. I was sitting there on a Love truck stop because that's where I went to sleep. When I woke up, was frozen. This happened on literally on a Christmas even. I think it was 3 days before Christmas. I missed even my Christmas with my family at that time too. I mean, everybody remember that the sample happened in Kentucky was this storm of snow, ice. If you've been driving it by that time, some of you are going to remember that. And it was bad. I was there unfortunate one that my truck got frozen too, and it took me 5 days before even we got it to work again, because the battery, we have to change the battery. Everything was dead, everything was frozen, and that thing was frozen for 2 days. I couldn't even do nothing. It was horrible. And thank you to those local mechanic that who had a patience to do more, to go extra. As I said, I was sitting at Love. Love was completely shut down. They could not do nothing. So we love you. That's why app like this is very important for us. When you guys sign up, it's very, very important for us as the truck drivers. Helps you to get more customer and helps the truck drivers on the road to get service as quickly as possible. So this is a win-win for everybody, and we really appreciate your job. Thank you, and I hope you guys sign up for Road Helps, because this helps everybody.